Hello and welcome back to Explain the Charts. Today we are going over the USDCHF pair and analyzing the price action based on current events and chart data. Recent news and analysis point towards a strengthening US dollar, possibly due to recent economic indicators and the Federal Reserve's policies. However, the Swiss National Bank's interventions and geopolitical factors could provide some counterpressure to the USDCHF's upward trajectory. Looking at the daily chart, we can identify key support levels around 0.87 and 0.86. Resistance is observed at around 0.90 and 0.92 based on previous highs. Let's switch to the 1-hour chart to see some more immediate trends. Here, we observe the price consolidating in a range, with support and resistance areas mirroring the daily chart's levels. The volume is generally moderate and there are not significant volume spikes. Now let's zoom into a specific period on the 1-hour chart, perhaps a range of high volatility. This would be useful in seeing the dynamics of support and resistance when price breaks out. This period shows a clear bearish trend reversal with a significant drop in price, but also a strong bounce off of support. Switching to the 15-minute chart, we can observe the short-term price fluctuations. This time frame helps to spot short-term trading opportunities. These fluctuations show short-term support and resistance levels and price movements within those. In summary, the USDCHF pair presents an interesting mix of short-term volatility and longer-term trends. The 0.87 and 0.86 levels are likely key supports. In the short term, the USDCHF could move in a range. In the long term, it could be possible to see higher prices. A break above 0.90 would signal a potential uptrend. However, a break below 0.87 would suggest a bearish reversal. Based on the current market conditions and the technical analysis, the probability of a short-term upward movement is moderate, while the probability of a long-term upward movement is moderate to high. The current price is around 0.85, and if it goes above 0.90, this would be a strong reinforcement of that. Keep an eye on news related to the Swiss National Bank and the Federal Reserve, as their interventions can significantly impact the price. Also, any geopolitical events could affect the USDCHF. Finally, watch the volume closely, as significant volume spikes often precede significant price movements.